lifts outside. This time is the Corte Ingles Nipico, and it's now being modernized with an outlet. And here we have the escalators. The parking floor is now closed, so let's go up to car park level 2. These types of escalators are troubleators. And now that we have arrived at parking level 1, it's time to go through and go to basement level 2. But this is very spooky. Hey, is that direction? I just almost forgot. Let's see. There's the direction to basement level 2, which is the purple car park. It is being quiet and there's no enough people. There is a lot of cars and parking too. Let's go down the ramp to basement 2. Spooky. Well, it is not. It has some lights. And now. Oh! A car is gonna chase us! But I really have to know where the direction to the lifts. The ceiling height is very smaller. I'm almost enough to touch it. Okay. Yep. I'm right. I'm almost enough to touch the ceiling. And there is the fire. And there's the fountains these fountains only get used when it's in case of fire. And if I can't hit it, they get turned on, and the fire alarm will turn on either. And now we go through the lifts. We go through this right to the lifts. We are not going on the chocolators. No, the lifts. So, this is so grotty. This is so grotty and nice. I do not understand. Spooky. And now to the first lifts, which are the main lifts of the center, and they were very nice 80s Otis lifts. Let's ride there. There's everything from the left. Floor 3 is locked. Does you can see anything in the indicator? I don't think so. The lift is still very nice. And that is the only lift Russ adds. Luckily these doors are non-glass. The floor 2 is so safely built it. So if you want to look, then I'll go right there. What did I do not know about that? Dad? Can I go to that place that I do not know about? Can I go there? And now, let's have an explore around that place. This is a place that I do not know about. As you may know, the floor 3 is locked. So, this is spooky. I'm now into a place that I do not know about. This is some things. This shop is similar to Aldous. I think this shop is a bit similar to Aldous. But Aldous is a shop that is a department store that I do not know about. But I do not know about Aldous. Only the thing that I do know of Aldous are the lifts. The lifts are very nice Marriott Scores. I do not know that shop is shut down. But anyway, I just watched a new big sun on Aldous. The floor 3 is now gone. This is a bit of similar to Aldous. That the only floor was gone is 3. And now, let's go again on that place that I do not know about. So, let's go! There are not enough people on that place. Well, where are some people? This place is a lot of washing machines. And dishwashers and also it has rice. Roti. This is a very nice machine. Also, it's a Bosch. This is a Perry machine. And I just know when I was little, when I watched Matthew O'Sea's videos. Well, but now when I was little, I liked it, but I now used to hate him since I'm now 11 years old and I like lifts and going to make videos. There are some things that are just like Aldous. The only floor here is closed is 3, but in Aldous they're closed floors 2, 3, and 4. The only floors left is open the basement, ground floor, mezzanine, and first floor. And this is a washing machine that I do not know about. Very weird. Yes. To be posted this on YouTube. How it is even gonna open this freaking door? Shit. I'm not breaking it. I just looking to the right to open the washing machine door. How are you even thinking about looking at these shoes? You are going into a second wedding. Hey. Man, it is hot in here. I'm very. Hey, Dad. What about this? You're looking for your own stuff. Let's put the towel on the floor. Okay. And my t-shirt. This place is a cover, and it's very hot in here. Well, spooky. The floor 3 is now locked off. It is now gone forever. Spooky. The only person left is open the basements, the car parks, and semi-basement, ground floor, and first floor and second floor. And second floor is the floor that I am right now. Which they all, but instead of having Spanish words, it also have English words. Let's get back to the ground floor and then let's get this show on the road. Ah, who said that? I do not know about that. These are the staircases, and you see only assess staff. The floor 4 is that office? Is that office? What? How does it even pee? And that's the lift. Let's get back to the ground floor in the lift. I am in lift number 2. Let's go to ground. Here we go. How did I? Is leaving stopping first? Get off the doors, sir. Even ground. Horrible slough doors. The doors have been now turned into slough. The lift on the right is in basement level 1. The lift on the middle is here when we previously ridden. And the lift on the left is also in basement level 1. So this is a very bad thing.